Hiya, Martin here at Hampshire Sheen. I hope you're all well. Thank you for joining me. You know, I've always wanted people who use Hampshire Sheen products to get the best out of them. And in late 2019 and 2020, I was running free Excellence in Finishing courses on how to get the best out of the products. But unfortunately, because of the global pandemic, they all had to be cancelled. But now though, on the 9th and the 19th of October, using some of the best technology available and a permanent demonstration set up here at the workshop, I'm able to bring to you in the Zoom environment 2 courses on the 9th and the 19th of October. On each of the courses we will look at my recommended methods of applying the core range of Hampshire Sheen products. That's the gloss finishing wax, the sanding sealer, the Danish oil, the brand new citrus burnishing oil, the embellishing waxes, and also we will look at finishing over the top of the intrinsic colour collection, as well as how to apply and how to polish our 2 lacquers, the clear gloss lacquer and the deep black gloss lacquer too. By the time the course is finished, you'll be able to head back out to your workshop and use the Hampshire Sheen products to their absolute best, having just completed the course. The 2 courses are completely free to join. The first one is on Saturday the 9th of October at 10 AM and the second one is at 7 PM on Tuesday the 19th of October. Bookings are easy. All you need to do is head over to www.msaban-smith.com, where all of the information is there, including a copy of this video, and booking is quick and simple. After you have booked on, remember it is completely free, you'll receive a confirmation, and then 24 hours before the course you'll receive the login details for Zoom. And for those turners who stay for the entire course will receive a very special Excellence in Finishing certificate. That's it. If you do have any queries, please do leave a comment below in the comments box down there, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Or of course you can contact me via the websites, either hampshiresheen.com or msabansmith.com. That's it. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.